Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install ConvertBox on your Shopify website. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your Shopify store, and after logging into your Shopify store, open your Shopify admin page. After opening your Shopify admin page, click on the online store button, which is in the left side of the menu bar. Click on the online store button. After that, click on the themes button. And now click on the three dots button. After clicking the three dots button, a drop down will appear, and from that drop down you have to select the edit code option. So click on the edit code button. Now a code editor will open. You have to select the theme.liquid from it. After clicking theme.liquid, find /body tag, and under the /body tag under the /body tag you have to paste the ConvertBox code that is shown on the screen, and now click on the save button. So that's how you can install ConvertBox on your Shopify website. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.